Gibson was also the great uncle of Langston Hughes, famed poet of the Harlem River. The son of a Virginia planter and a slave mother, Langston was emancipated at the age of 5, attended school in Ohio, and graduated from Oberlin in 1849. He quickly became a leader among free blacks, and he helped organize the National Equal Rights League, of which he was the first president. And that's a fact. For these stories and more, go to binnews.com.
Of course, only the rich.
This is America's Black Voice,
the Black Information Network.
the Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News, San Francisco's BIN 910. Yahoo News is reporting a strong majority of black California voters believe that the legislature is responsible to provide more funding in schools for the lower performing students, according to a survey released Tuesday by the Black in School Coalition. The fact is that 84% of those surveyed want education funding to target low performing students in California speaks volumes, and we need to see action from the legislature, said Gandhi Mack, Senior Director of Education at Children Now, in a statement. Apple Card polled more than 11,000 black California voters on education and found that 71% believe that allocating additional money based on student performance would improve education for black students, while 93% said chronic absenteeism is an urgent problem for California schools to address. And investigators are looking into an incident where racial slurs were found sprawled on a business in Fairfield. The Llano County Sheriff's officials say someone used red paint to write the slurs and draw swastikas on the walls of Thompson's Corner Saloon. The hateful messaging was found Tuesday. Deputies say they hope surveillance video footage from the area will help them identify a suspect in the case.
You did the stare and drive on you, didn't you? He got that from me.
What's his deal?
I got a problem with authority.
That's African-American actor Tyrese Gibson, and he's taking Home Depot to court over an incident of alleged racial profiling in a California store. The Fast and Furious actor has filed a lawsuit against Home Depot for civil rights violations. He says he and two of his associates were victims of racial profiling by a cashier and a manager at the Home Depot in West Hills back in February. In the lawsuit, Gibson says the cashier refused to allow his friends to pay for the items at the store with Gibson's credit card and then continued to obstruct the purchase when Gibson came back inside. The actor says a manager also caused problems for the group before the cashier finally allowed the purchase to take place. Gibson says the actions of both the cashier and the manager were racially motivated, and he's seeking $1 million in the lawsuit. Representatives from Home Depot have not commented on the lawsuit. And in other news, a new walking tour claims to show people the worst of San Francisco. The Downtown Doom Loop walking tour is set for August 26th and is already sold out according to organizers. The $30 tour will start at City Hall and will go through Mid-Market Street, the Tenderloin area, and Union Square. Tour officials say those who participate will view the open-air drug markets, the abandoned tech offices, and the deserted department stores. And that's a look at what's going on around the Bay Area. For more on these stories and international, national, state, and local news affecting the black community, listen to the Black Information Network on the iHeartRadio app or log on to BINnews.com. On social media, follow the BIN on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, the Black Information Network, and on Twitter, now X at BlackInfoNet. I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News, San Francisco's BIN 910.
51% of all food programs in the Feeding America Network are volunteer-run. Learn more about how you can play an important role in ending hunger at feedingamerica.org. That's feedingamerica.org.
The biggest black news every 30 minutes.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Callie Cole with another essential black film. Released in 2002 to critical acclaim, Drumline follows the story of a young black drummer from Harlem, New York, who heads to college to join a HBCU marching band in Atlanta, Georgia.
I just thought I had a little something on the end.
Although fictional in account, the film offers viewers a revealing look into the culture and traditions of historically black colleges, along with some of the unique challenges black students face while seeking higher education.
You have to learn to follow before you can lead with the
citrus, Drumline earned more than $56 million at the U.S. box office alone. The film also received rave reviews for its honest portrayal of HBCU life and was one of the first to bring the pageantry of black marching band to the big screen. 2002's Drumline, another essential black film. I'm Callie Cole on the Black Information Network.
Speak out about what's happening in your community. Call the Black Information Network hotline at 855-500-9BIN.
Telling your story.
Civil rights attorney at Harvard Law School, Professor Charles Ogletree has died because it's our story.
The company has identified DNA from formerly enslaved Africans buried in Kecoughtan Mountain Park in Maryland on a 24/7 news network.
Black Twitter users are silently moving on to other sites like Phil for and by the black community.
This is the Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910 and on the iHeartRadio app.
Big George Foreman, available to buy on Blu-ray and digital now, with a 97% audience score on Rotten Tomatoes. Big George Foreman is a never-before-seen look into the life of the boxing legend George Foreman, inside and outside of the ring. Starring Chris Davis in a transformational performance as George Foreman throughout his career, and Academy Award winner Forrest Whitaker, featuring thrilling recreations of Foreman's most iconic boxing matches. Big George Foreman is an inspiring story about overcoming life's obstacles and of the greatest comeback in sports history. Watch it at home tonight. Rated PG-13. Black Information Network podcast you should know.
Welcome to the Therapy for Black Girls podcast. Naomi Osaka is probably the best example when she says, hey, I'm not going to sit with the media. And initially, the narrative being scripted is that she is being a defiant, young, biracial woman, right? And she then uses social media to say, hey, that's not the case.
That was another podcast you should know from the Black Information Network.
Black news comes first.
Listen and stay informed.
The opinions, beliefs, and viewpoints expressed in this commentary are those of the author and do not necessarily represent those of BIN and its founding partners.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Here's I have something to say. On October the 7th, 1893, a Chicago Evening Post journalist introduced his readers to the character of Mr. Dooley. Mr. Dooley was a big show 19th century Irish bartender. Mr. Dooley is best known for his quote on the roll of newspapers. The job of the newspapers in this age is to comfort the afflicted and afflict the comfortable. In other words, in present day speak, the job of the media is to make the people in power uncomfortable under their gains, be the check to balance their power, and speak truth to power on behalf of those who are afflicted, the downtrodden, the marginalized, the 99% of the U.S. that can't get the sweetheart deal members of the club can. I'm talking about us. The American Press Institute says the purpose of journalism is to, quote, keep us informed of the changing events, issues, and characters in the world outside. Though it may be interesting or even entertaining, the foremost value of news is as a utility to empower the informed, to provide citizens with the information they need to make the best possible decision about their lives, their communities, their societies, and their government. And it is the last part that might explain why the Biden White House has purged over 30% of the people allowed press passes. Of that 30%, 0 are members of the mainstream, or more accurately, legacy news outlets. According to the Daily Signal, over the past 3 months, the number of reporters with access to the White House dropped by 31%. There are now 440 computer reporters with a coveted hard pass as a result of the new rules announced in May that took effect Tuesday. So, now the public has 1,000 fewer eyes on our government and its shady dealings. How convenient. I'm James C. Harris from Black Information Network. You can follow me on Instagram at James C. Harris. The Black News you need every 30 minutes on the Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Doug Davis. Here's what's trending. The prosecutor leading the criminal case into Hunter Biden's taxes is being granted special counsel status. David Weiss can now look into any of Hunter Biden's business dealings. And that's what's trending from the Black Information Network.
Sports on the Black Information Network.
It is so easy to bet on sports with the advent of apps like FanDuel and DraftKings, and now leagues and even sports networks are in on the money train when it comes to gambling. I see you, ESPN, that we're probably going to see a lot more of these kind of stories, where 8 more Iowa and Iowa State football players were charged in connection with the state's continuing investigation into betting. According to the Des Moines Register, 4 players who started with the Iowa